It's not science fiction anymore. Tesla just unveiled something that could change the world forever. Elon Musk, the mind behind electric cars and rockets to Mars, has now revealed the third generation of the Tesla bot, Optimus V3.0. And this time, it's not just a concept or a dream. It walks, it lifts, it sees, and it learns, all faster, smarter, and better than ever. The Gen 3 Tesla bot isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap into a future where humanoid robots may be as common as smartphones. So, what's really new in Tesla bot Gen 3? Why is everyone from AI experts to investors to everyday people talking about this bot like it's the future of humanity? Let's explore it. Tesla's robotic ambitions began in 2021 when Elon Musk revealed the first concept of the Tesla bot at AI Day. It was a bold move for a humanoid robot designed to take over repetitive and dangerous tasks. Many were skeptical. The prototype was clunky and walked with difficulty, but Musk promised progress, and with each iteration, the vision started turning real. Tesla bot Gen 1 was essentially a research platform, more a testbed than a product. Gen 2 was better, smoother movement, real-time sensor integration, and limited object interaction. Still, it wasn't ready for the real world. Now, in 2025, Tesla has launched the Gen 3 Optimus bot, a sleek, agile, and surprisingly capable machine that marks the beginning of a truly new era. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Optimus Gen 3, the insane redesign, its cutting-edge AI, how it moves, what it can do, and how it could reshape industries, homes, and even human identity itself. The design. Optimus Gen 3's design is far from the awkward, mechanical look of earlier versions. Tesla has given it a fully overhauled exterior, making it look more like a character from a sci-fi movie than an industrial machine. It's slimmer, more balanced, and stands 5'11" tall, weighing in at around 130 pounds. Its appearance is human-like, but intentionally not too realistic to avoid the uncanny valley effect. One of the most stunning upgrades is the integration of Tesla's in-house actuators. These actuators are incredibly efficient, giving the bot smooth and natural limb movements. The hands are now equipped with 11 degrees of freedom, capable of gentle grip as well as powerful lifts. Tesla even demonstrated it picking up delicate eggs and then easily lifting weights. The head is embedded with visual sensors and cameras, enabling real-time object detection, facial recognition, and depth mapping. The result? It can move through a crowded environment without bumping into people or objects. Everything about the redesign focuses on making the Tesla bot a functional, interactive assistant, not a toy or showpiece. How it moves? Biomechanics and agility from stiff and shaky to smooth and stable. Optimus Versus now moves like it belongs in the real world. Tesla's engineers have completely transformed how the bot walks, turns, and even crouches. Inspired by human motion, they've built an advanced biomechanics system that mirrors the way we move step by step, joint by joint. No more robotic jerks or clumsy steps. Whether it's walking through a hallway, bending to pick up an object, or navigating stairs, Optimus does it all with fluid grace and natural balance. Its balance is controlled by a new neural net running on Tesla's Dojo supercomputer. This allows the bot to learn from both simulation and real-world movement data. It adjusts its posture dynamically depending on the terrain. For example, if the ground is uneven, it won't trip. It adapts in milliseconds, just like a human would. And it's not just about movement, it's about lasting performance. Tesla made sure that Optimus Gen 3 isn't just agile, but also energy smart. With its powerful 4680 battery pack tucked inside its torso, this robot can walk for hours without running low. That means whether it's working a factory shift, assisting in a home, or helping care for someone elderly, Optimus stays on its feet. This perfect balance of strength, stability, and stamina is what sets Gen 3 apart from anything we've seen before. The brain, Tesla, AI, and Dojo training. While the body of Optimus Gen 3 is impressive, what truly makes it revolutionary is its brain, powered by Tesla's next-level artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional robots that follow rigid instructions, Optimus learns and adapts like a thinking machine. At its core is a neural network built by Tesla, trained using the same advanced advanced systems behind full self-driving. But what really pushes it over the edge is Dojo, Tesla's custom-built supercomputer designed specifically for training AI at massive scale. Dojo feeds Optimus with mountains of real-world data, videos, environments, interactions, allowing it to pick up patterns and behaviors just by watching. For example, it doesn't need someone to program how to fold a shirt or stack items. It watches once, understands the logic, and can repeat the action with precision. This kind of learning isn't just fast, it's flexible. It means the bot can adjust to new environments, unfamiliar tasks, or even small human habits without missing a beat. What makes this even more powerful is its ability to understand and act in context. Tell it to clean the desk, and it will scan, identify the objects, figure out what doesn't belong, and tidy up. No vague wiping or aimless movement. The AI behind Optimus isn't just smart, it's situationally aware. It grows better with every task, just like a skilled assistant learning your preferences. That's the magic of Tesla's brain power, turning a machine into something that can truly think, respond, and evolve. Hands and dexterity real-world capabilities. With the Gen 3 upgrade, Optimus now features some of the most advanced robotic hands in the world. Each hand contains 27 actuators and 11 degrees of freedom. That gives it the ability to mimic human finger movements with shocking precision. Tesla demonstrated the bot sorting tiny screws, picking up delicate fruit, and even doing basic yoga poses. The fingers can sense pressure and adjust their grip automatically. So, whether it's pouring a drink or tightening a bolt, Optimus handles both tasks with precision and care. What's more impressive is that the hands have haptic sensors. This means Optimus can feel objects, detecting texture, softness, and even temperature to some extent. This opens up possibilities in healthcare, elder care, and manufacturing, where human-like touch is crucial. Seeing the world like we do. Tesla has integrated a powerful vision system into the Optimus bot using the same FSD cameras used in Tesla cars. This means the bot sees in 3D, with full color vision and depth perception. But unlike cars that operate mostly outdoors, Optimus is trained for indoor and human-facing environments. Its perception system allows it to recognize objects, identify people, and even interpret facial expressions. Tesla showed demos where the bot recognized a smiling person and mirrored a wave in return. This isn't just cute, it's part of making machines socially intelligent. The bot's cameras also include infrared and night vision modes, meaning it can operate in low-light settings. Whether it's navigating a factory at night or assisting in a home during a power outage, Optimus won't be blind. Its perception and decision-making system are deeply integrated, making it one of the most aware robots ever built. Use cases. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is being pitched as a real-world assistant for multiple industries. In factories, it can take over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, like moving boxes, organizing parts, or performing inspections. In homes, it can help with chores, assist elderly people, or even babysit under supervision. Tesla has already started deploying Gen 3 bots in their own gigafactories. Early reports show productivity increases and fewer injuries among human workers. The bots work alongside humans, not to replace them, but to augment their efforts. That's a huge milestone. In the long run, Elon Musk envisions millions of Tesla bots in homes, businesses, and hospitals. He believes humanoid robots will eventually be more common than cars. And with Optimus Gen 3, that future no longer seems far-fetched. Ethics, safety, and controls. With all this power, there are major ethical concerns. What if the bot is hacked? What if it misinterprets a command? Elon Musk's Optimus Gen 3 is more than just a robot. It's a symbol of where we're headed as a species. With advanced AI, biomechanics, vision, and a stunningly human design, Tesla's latest bot may be the biggest tech leap since the smartphone. But the question remains, are we ready for a future where robots live among us? Will they free us from mundane labor or slowly redefine what it means to be human? Let us know your thoughts below. Would you welcome a Tesla bot into your home, or do you think this technology is moving too fast? Hit that like button, subscribe for more deep tech breakdowns, and stay tuned for more from the future.